loves, it's your girl Zahara, and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey guys. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the royal gang. So today I'm just going to be doing a video on how I package my lip gloss kits, and I'm going to be showing you some of my lip gloss pouches that you can purchase. I'm just going to be doing a step-by-step of the products that I use, how I put the kits together, and what come in the kits. I actually have two different kits. One is a princess kit, and that comes with one 5-ounce clear lip gloss base, 10 squeeze tubes, a 16 milliliter syringe, a pigment, a flavoring oil, and yeah, I think that's, and 2 pipettes. And the queen actually comes with 2 clear bases, 20 squeeze tubes, a 16 milliliter syringe, a flavoring oil, 2 pigments, and 4 pipettes. So those are the 2 that are available right now. And then I have 6 different lip gloss pouches that I will be showing you that you can also purchase. So with further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so for the lip gloss pouches, like I said, I had 6 different lip gloss pouches that you can purchase. So the first one I have right here, this one is called Baby Girl, and I actually have this for sale in regular tubes like that I'm selling. But yeah, I have these. This is a 5-ounce bag. And then I just have this one. This one is just a dark brown, and this is in mocha. And this is also in a lip gloss on my site. This one right here is Hershey. This is just a lighter brown, like more like a milk chocolate brown. And this is also 5 ounces. All the lip gloss pouches that I will be selling are 5 ounces as of now. I have this one. This one is Peachy Keen Aurora. And this is just this sparkly, pretty pink color right here. So I have that, and then I just have a 8-ounce clear pouch. And the 5-ounce bags, they can fill up to 15 squeeze tubes, and the 8-ounce bags could fill up to 25, so, or more. So yeah, those are the lip gloss pouches that I have for sale, and they're on my site, mainqueenlashes.equa.com. So yeah, head over there to get yours if you're interested. Okay, to start off, I just take these white, they're kind of like bakery boxes that I got from Amazon, and these are the 8x4s. So I just take that. Boxes actually have like a line on them to tell you where to fold, so. Now I'll be taking these confetti strings. I don't even know. I think they're called like trickle cut confetti or whatever. And I'll just be putting a little bit at the bottom. Be taking the clear base, the 5-ounce clear base, and then I just stick it in there. And then sleeve tubes. So right now I'll be packing the Princess lip gloss kit. So that comes with 10 tubes. So 1, 2. In this pouch, I also put the pipettes. So I'll be taking 2 out of here. And I'll be putting that in there as well. And be taking the flavoring oil. I just put it. Actually, I wrapped these, so. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be doing another video on cheap supplies that you can get for your business and where to get them. So and then I'll just stick that there. And I usually just play around with the box until it looks how I want it to. Okay. And then we have our gloves. I'll just put that behind. And then these are our pigments. And I usually put those inside this little bag. And now I take some of this confetti. I'll take my business card, put that there. And they usually write in these, like, I'll put the customer's name and then thank you for your purchase, good luck with your business, and all of that. But I'm just showing you how I pack it because I already sent out the order and I forgot to film it, so I'm just showing you how I film it now. So yeah. Okay, and usually I will put tapes on these sides and right here, and then on top just take one of my sticker labels. And I made these on Avery.com. That's where I get most of my sticker labels from. And then place it right here in the middle. So I'll show you how it looks like. That's how I packaged them. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.